Here's the breakdown. 6 car cleaning products only dumb buyers keep paying for, and 5 smart ones that detailing professionals actually reach for instead. Every claim here comes from testing coverage, detailing industry sources, and people who wash and coat cars for a living. The 6 dumb buys. First, spray-on ceramic coating in a bottle. These promise 6 to 12 months of protection, applied yourself in 30 minutes. Detailing sources put the real lifespan at 2 to 6 weeks. Even Ceramic Pro, a company that sells professional coatings, admits spray-on versions top out around 3 to 6 months and calls the whole do-it-yourself category buyer. Beware! Real ceramic coating uses silicon dioxide that bonds to the clear coat, while these sprays are mostly wax and sealant sitting on top of the paint. Different chemistry, same marketing. Second, overpriced rinseless wash concentrates. Detailers who have compared them side by side found some brands cost 4 times as much as competitors that clean almost identically. One forum commenter put it bluntly, rinseless washes must be very profitable and very easy to make since most perform in a very similar fashion regardless of price. Third, lifetime or 10-year ceramic coating packages. Premium packages get sold on promises of 5, 7, even 10+ years, with some brands claiming lifetime durability. One detailing forum poster called that out directly. We all know damn well these coatings will barely make it past 2 years. That's one voice, not a lab result, but it matches a pattern across the industry, where a bigger warranty number simply justifies a bigger price. Fourth, a full pressure washer and foam cannon setup for the casual owner. A foam cannon only works attached to a pressure washer, which means buying 2 pieces of equipment storing both and adding setup time to every wash, all for a cosmetic upgrade in foam thickness. Fifth, cheap bulk microfiber towels bought purely for a big GSM number on the label. Detailing suppliers say that number can be inflated with a thicker polyester base instead of real absorbent pile, so a bargain 12-pack with an impressive GSM can still scratch paint, while a properly built towel with a lower number outperforms it. Shopping by that one number is a shortcut that costs more later, in swirl marks. Number 6. Premium tire shine, bought on impulse. Independent testing comparing brands on gloss, oiliness, and dirt resistance found a product marketed like a basic tire blackener actually beat flashier, pricier competitors. Meanwhile, plenty of enthusiasts online say they skip tire shine entirely and do not see the point. Grabbing the priciest bottle out of habit, without evidence it performs better, is the dumb buy. The 5 smart ones. Smart Pick 1. pH-balanced car wash soap instead of dish soap. Dish soap sits around pH 8.5 to 9.5, while car wash soap is formulated close to neutral, around 7 to 8. That gap matters because dish soap is built to strip grease, which means it also strips wax, sealant, and protective coatings, and can dry out rubber seals over time. A bottle of real car wash soap costs almost nothing for what it protects. Smart Pick 2. The 2-bucket method with grit guards. One bucket holds soapy water, the other exists purely to rinse the wash mitt, and a grit guard at the bottom of each traps grit before it gets dragged back across the paint. It's cited repeatedly as the standard professional habit for preventing swirl marks. Smart Pick 3. A basic garden hose foam gun instead of the full cannon setup. It delivers nearly the same benefit for a fraction of the cost, since the foam itself lubricates the surface before the mitt touches it. A pressure washer is not what gets you that protection. The foam is. Smart Pick 4. A clay bar, used correctly and sparingly. It pulls out embedded contamination like brake dust and tree sap that washing alone leaves behind. But it does not remove swirls or scratches. That's a documented misconception. And since clay counts as a mild abrasive, detailers recommend using it only 2 to 3 times a year. Smart Pick 5. Rain-X windshield treatment. A comparison test referencing Project Farm's testing found Rain-X wasn't necessarily the single best performer, but it was far cheaper than everything else tested and held its effectiveness through most conditions. One longtime user reported a single bottle lasting years with periodic reapplication, a strong return for a product running around $8 to $10. Conclusion: 6 products dumb buyers keep paying for. Overhyped spray ceramic coatings, overpriced rinseless washes, inflated lifetime coating claims, an unnecessary pressure washer and cannon setup, towels bought on a hyped GSM number, and impulse tire shine. 5 Smart Ones detailers actually reach for: pH-balanced soap, the 2-bucket method, a simple foam gun, a properly used clay bar, and a cheap bottle of Rain X. The pattern is simple. The expensive-sounding claim on the label isn't always what's protecting your car, and sometimes the smartest product in your kit is also the cheapest one on the shelf.